teeming, and that ammonia has to be detoxified. What is that source of ammonia? You should answer this question. Come on, mashallah, you have done GIT.
Ketone bodies.
Ketone bodies. Well, ketone bodies are coming from fatty acids or the amino acids. First of all, I have to think. It's fatty acids, right? Okay. So not the really issue of fatty acids or the fats. Give me a part of the body which is giving you ammonia.
Bacterial flora.
Okay, bacterial flora where? So, okay, now let's catch this one. Let's pull the string from here. Okay, he's saying bacterial flora. What is the link of bacterial flora and ammonia?
If you read that splitting urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide. And liver.
Okay. Well, yes. See, it's not. It's urea splitting enzymes produced by the bacteria. This is one thing. Okay. But urea is not mainly a little amount of urea maybe موجود in the GIT that can be splitted by the bacteria. Okay, I agree with you. No, you are saying bacterial flora. Now I have to think about that one. Bacterial flora موجود in your intestine. Okay. Later part of the large intestine and the last parts of the small intestine also, you've got bacterial flora growing. So what do these bacterial flora do? Okay, do they in human beings, Abdurrahman? Cellulose, do we have the enzyme cellulase? No. Okay, for the animals it's okay. What else can they do? For animals, yes, they have the enzyme, they split the cellulose because they produce cellulase enzyme, yeah.
Production of vitamins.
They do it. But regarding this ammonia issue, what do they do? So what do they act upon? Not bile salts. They will split the bile salts and it will help in the reabsorption of the bile acids. You are right, okay? But that is not ammonia again, okay? Ammonia. Where are you getting ammonia? You know that, come on. You have the answer. MashaAllah, you are so capable. You have been answering everything, really, which I was not expecting, and you answered everything. And you are stuck up on this little issue. And you have reached actually, you just have to pick it. It is there. You can see that. You have the bacteria. They are producing enzymes. You need the substrate on which they have to act, and they have to produce ammonia. What is that substrate? Come on. No, wait. You are talking about ammonia, boys. You are getting ammonia. What should be the source of ammonia? Amino acids, and amino acids are coming from? Protein. Do you think you digest 100% of the proteins do you eat?
No.
So some of the proteins go into the large intestine also.
Yes.
If you have the bacteria over there, and those bacteria are very active and they can break amino acids or dipeptides or some of these areas, and they are acting on those amino acids and they deaminate, what will be produced from there? Now what will happen to this ammonia? Look, hold it. What will happen to this ammonia? Absorbed. And it will go where? In the?
Bloodstream.
Which bloodstream? Portal blood. Where is portal blood going? Liver. So ammonia is coming to? And you have the urea cycle going on in the? Liver. Okay. So this ammonia will be taken. So there are two sources of ammonia now. A big source is coming from GIT. Musalsal coming into absorption and coming into the liver. If the liver fails, then what happens? The GIT ammonia which is absorbed increased, and the liver ammonia is also increased. These two ammonia sources will go into the blood, hyperammonemia. That's why in case of hepatic encephalopathy, we give special agents called the laxatives, okay? And some of the lactulose or something like that, which can cause number one, okay, a laxative effect so that you don't build up ammonia. And second, the pH, when the lactulose is acted upon by the bacteria, then acidic pH develops, and that acidic pH inhibits the production of the ammonia also, and it's a double effect of the laxative. So you clear the ammonia production. Why do you want less ammonia production in case of river failure? To avoid hepatic encephalopathy. Okay, so that is the strategy. You always link things. Why are we doing it? Did you get the answer? So it means now, getting back, if you want to increase your concentrating ability, what will you eat more? high protein diet, if high protein diet, meat especially, maybe your concentrating ability will be better if you are a meat lover, okay? And which is true here for Saudi Arabia also. But those who are totally vegetarians and they don't take high protein diet, maybe their concentrating ability is a little less. Okay, it's normal, but a little less. Okay, so some of these factors are very, very important. The dietary patterns are there, and this is the way we work. And living in special conditions. If you are living, you're born in the desert and you are living as a nomadic in the tribes there, and throughout your life you have lived there, your kidneys will change and they are better concentrating units as compared to our kidneys who are born in the cities. Okay, so this is it. This was about, I'll send you the presentation, but did you get the whole idea of the concentration and dilution? Yes. Okay, thank you very much. It is a very difficult topic actually to understand, but I hope at least you got the main points of this topic. Okay, I will send you the presentation. You read the presentation. If you are not clear about the points, come up in the last lecture, which is about the sodium and potassium control by the kidneys. Okay, thank you very much for staying. Thank you.